Okay, so we haven't done a review on wireless stuff this year, even though I've been using some, especially when I went away on my trip. Today we're looking at I think it's fairly new, and this is the Lensgo 318C 2. This is a second version, and I believe we reviewed the original 318C years ago, but we're going to be looking at the 318C2 today, and their updated 518C tomorrow. So make sure you stick around if you're looking at either one of these videos. But today we're going to take a look at the box, what it comes with, of course. We're going to take a look at what they say about it. And I think we just connect this possibly to our phone or our camera. I'm not even sure. And give it a quick listen. All right. Okay, so you can see this, and this is in Canadian dollars that I'm talking about right now. So it is on AliExpress for about $100, $98.87. It's also over here on Banggood, $153. I will put links to both down below if you guys are at all interested. What do they say here? One receiver, this 2 transmitters, video mic, magnetic charging installation, noise reduction, system for mobile phone, camera, recording. So I guess it does both. Yep, it does both. That's kind of nice, right? There you go. You can see it there. I like the fact that it seems like it's kind of like an all-in-one unit when it's kind of together. It's not just all these pieces floating around. I think that's super cool. Just for portability. You can get it in black and or white. I think we got it in black. Intelligent noise reduction, magnetic charging, 7-hour battery life. Yeah, it's got all the kind of cool. I love that it's a case and mics all together. Is that not kind of cool? Okay, anyways, here it is, right? 318C. What I'm going to do is give myself a bit more room. So I'm just going to close this and put this over here. Okay, where are we? Right there. Good. I'll get some of this stuff out of the way. It's just in the way. Okay, 318C wireless lav mic. What does it say? The RX can be used for about 3 hours of backup power after 2 TXs are charged once. Oh, so basically, one of them is the receiver, which is where everything plugs into. And then basically you can plug this in and use it to recharge these, I guess. Can be used continuously for about 7 hours. Operational range about 100 meters. We're not going to test that kind of distance, but we're going to give it a sound test for sure. They say 100 meters. That's definitely maximum, right? And then there's some specs, I guess, on the back of the box. If you guys are at all interested, you can take a look. There it is. Let's crack this open. Usually their gear, the Lensgo gear is decent, right? It's not bad. It's all right. So here we go. That's all. Okay, so we get a it looks like it's in all kinds of languages that, oh no, there it is. It's in English. Turn on power. Yeah, so there you go. You guys should be able to see that right there, right? Okay. I may actually have to refer back to here just to be able to look at this, because the text is small. It is a bit on the small side, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Okay. At least it gives you some stuff. And then it gives you a bigger manual, instruction manual. Fonts are bigger here. That's good. Excellent. Good. Couple languages. Decent, right? Definitely legible. I like that. Fantastic. You get a carrying case, which feels like it has all the goodies in it. So all your, like, tight bag. Cables and whatnots, right? So you get the little magnetic clips. Lensgo is really good at this. They give you little magnetic clips for just clipping like the mics on. And then they just snap on here. So when you want to take them off, it's super easy to take them off. Just one? Is it just one? That can't be right. Is it one? Okay. Oh no, there it is. There's two. There's two right there. Okay. USB-A to... Really? Micro USB. Who uses micro USB anymore? Lensgo, I guess. And then you get your cables, depending on if you're plugging this into a phone or a camera. So the two, you see where it has 2 little rings, right? 2 little rings there. Camera. You see this one here has three little rings right there, 3 little rings. That one will go into a phone. So make sure you use the right cable. A lot of times they actually put little like tags on them, so you know. No tags on these ones. So, but if you record and you realize no sound, you're probably using the wrong cable. So it is what it is. Some silica gel, don't eat it. And last but not least, the mic. It is cool, right? It is staticky, super staticky. This is, clean that up a little bit. That's it. It's already got power to it. There it is, Lensgo. I like that. It's like a case and everything all together. And there's your little clip, so that's going to go on your camera. Just, right? There's a little, I don't know what that light's doing. Maybe it's just saying, we're good to go. And then these, so sweet. It's just, it's magnets again, right? That's awesome. I'm easily amused. Just, it is what it is. Easily amused. That comes out somehow. And then somehow that connects. Yes, this is out. I'm confused a little bit as to how these connect. There's a little power button, but you got to be able to stick a cable in here. Yes, this is the transmitter, right? This is a transmitter. Let's just, so we got 2 transmitters right there. Boom. Oh, they're transmitters. Of course, they don't need anything. So you can't. So here's the one thing. You can't plug an additional microphone into these. This is the microphone, okay? So this is the microphone. You see the microphone right there. Is this a button? I guess that would be the power it on or power it off, whatever, right? So, yeah. These come off. There are little TXs right there, so I'm guessing if I turn this on, is there a, yeah, so they turn blue, and you can see this one has gone solid, which is this one. Plug it in here, it should start to flash. We take this one out. I guess we have to turn it on. Click. I guess you hold it till it goes blue, maybe. And it connected there. So whatever one off goes number 1. And then if you take this one off and this one, turn it on. Blue. So now we got both going. Right? Not a lot of like indicators or anything like that on it for like volume. This is pretty basic. And then there's your out right there. So that's going to go to your camera or your phone. Okay. And then basically this, for instance, this would latch onto here somehow, right? So let's say you were rocking this. So you have this up on your shirt like so. It's like, oh, dusty, right? Then you could just be like, where is it? It's over here somewhere. Boom. Okay, let's change. We'll connect this to my camera just so you guys can hear what it sounds like. All right, 1 second. Okay, so I have this. This is now connected. I have it here, but it's cabled all the way back. Now the other thing too, right? This of course you guys may be able to sort of see it. This is the headphone with the coily cable going to the camera, right? Coily cable. You guys see it there? Yes, coily cable. Non-coily phone, but it also has on this side, if you take them off, hopefully you guys can see it, it's like a headphone jack for monitoring. So that's really cool. Now again, I'm not getting a chance to hear the audio. You guys are getting the chance to hear the audio. This is a really simple setup, right? And I think honestly this is a great setup for someone even like me that wants something super portable. Maybe you're going to be using it for vlogging or something like that. Now, the one thing that I kind of wish is that they had something that you could place over it in regards to like a wind filter, something like that. You know, that would be kind of nice. Right now, it's kind of there. Now, what you could do, of course, is just kind of maybe just flip this inside out and put the mic on the inside of your clothes. That would possibly help. But and you can get those little sticky, maybe you've seen them, they're like little stickers with wind muffs on them that you could stick over top of the mic. That could possibly work as well. Maybe something that I look into. But I love how this is set up. Super easy. You turn it on, wait for the lights to turn blue. Then you pop these out, turn them on, wait for the lights to go solid, and you're connected. Yeah. 99 bucks on AliExpress. Right now, 150 on Banggood. the prices will change, so check them both out. I'll put links down below to both of them. You guys can figure out if you want to pick them up. But yeah, this is the 318C2. Very cool. All right, my friends, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I will see you guys next video. Later. Okay, so I am editing this video, and so I'm just a little bit on the end here, and I've had a chance to listen to it. Now, there is a really light hum coming in the background, and this is not the first time that I have heard a hum in the back of a Lensgo mic, but I have gone out just outside to try it, and the hums do go away. So it's definitely something that is interfering with something in my setup. Now, not that you shouldn't be aware of this, because I don't know which piece of equipment is interfering with it, but it is getting interference. One of the things to be aware of is I have, in a small area, you know, about 5 microphones that are constantly running all the time. I have multiple cameras. I have just tons of things charging. There's 4 computers. Interference can be high. But if you are going to be using a mic like this in a scenario, in a situation where there may be a lot of electronics and a lot of things that may be using different frequencies, it is something to be aware of and to be somewhat concerned about. If you're not, and you're wearing this primarily for just outside or in an area that there aren't very many other electronics, then it should be fine. Is it something that you can clean up in post? Maybe, but definitely be aware that it's there. I don't know if you guys are hearing it, but I can definitely hear it. Just a little update. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out.